If you've made a payment on TikTok and need to request a refund, follow these straightforward steps to ensure you complete the process successfully. Step 1. Open the TikTok app. Launch the TikTok app on your mobile device and log into your account if you haven't already. Step 2. Access your profile. Tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen to go to your account settings. Step 3. Go to Settings and Privacy. In your profile, tap on the 3 dots with the menu icon in the top right corner to access the Settings and Privacy menu. Step 4. Find Purchase History. Scroll down to find the Balance or Wallet section. Here, you can view your purchase history, including any payments made. Step 5. Request a refund. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Once you've completed these steps, keep an eye on your email for confirmation of your refund request. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to TikTok support for further assistance.